C2 Summer 2010 question 7. Solve this trig equation. We need to rewrite sine squared x as 1 minus cos squared x. So that gives me 3 upon 1 minus cos squared x plus 8 cos x equals 0. So 3 minus 3 cos squared x plus 8 cos x equals 0. I'll multiply 3 by minus 1. So 3 cos squared x minus 8 cos x minus 3 equals 0. And that factorizes to give 3 cos x plus 1 upon cos x minus 3. So cos x equals minus 1/3, or cos x equals 3. And that's impossible. So in my calculator, if I type in the inverse cos of minus 1/3, I get an answer of 1.9106. Drawing a quick cast diagram, you can see I have 1.9106. The other place that cos is negative is in the third quadrant, so I would also have 1.9106. So my answer is that x is plus or minus 1.91, and that is the 3SF. So my ships travel for 3 hours, which means that ship D will have travelled a distance of 72, and ship C will have travelled a distance of 45. I draw on a line and mark it as x. X will be the distance between them after an hour, and I'm going to use cosine rule to find it. Before I can use cosine rule, I need to know the size of this angle, and it's 110. 180, take away 30, take away 40. Using the cosine rule, x squared equals 72 squared plus 45 squared minus 2 times 72 times 45 cosine 110. So x squared is 9425.29. So x would be the square root of that, which is 97.08, 97.1 to 3 significant figures. We're then asked to find the bearing. So if I draw in a north line, I'm going to work out this small angle in here. I'm going to use the sine rule. So the sine of theta over 45 has to equal the sine of 110 over my 97.08. So sine theta is 45 times sine 110 over 97.08. So theta will be the inverse sine of that, which is 25.822. Now we need to look at then how we're going to find the bearing. And the bearing is an angle measured from north. So if I extend my north line down, I can see that the angle I want is marked on the diagram. Using my parallel lines, I can also mark on that this angle is 30 and this one must be 150. So the bearing would be 360. Take away 150, take away the angle theta, 25.822. That gives me a bearing of 184.17. And bearings are 3 figures, so my final answer will be 184 degrees.